Chemical coordination and integration. As we know that the responses and signals from neural system is very short-lived, hence another system known as endocrine system, which works on the basis of chemical messengers, is required to support the normal functioning of physiological activities in our body. So neural system along with endocrine system supports, regulates the normal functioning of physiological activities in our body. Endocrine glands and hormones. Endocrine glands are also known as ductless glands because ducts are not present in these glands. Their secretions is delivered directly into the blood, directly into the systemic circulation. You can see in the diagram various endocrine glands and their location in our body. Hypothalamus, pineal body, pituitary gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, adrenal gland, thymus, pancreas, testes and ovary. Hormones. Hormones are nothing but non-nutrient chemicals which act as intracellular messengers and are produced and present in body in trace amounts. The hypothalamus. There are neurosecretory cells present in hypothalamus which forms nuclei from which hormones are released. These hormones, they regulate the synthesis as well as secretion of hormones from the pituitary gland. Hypothalamus release two kind of hormones which are releasing or inhibiting. That is, either the hormone will promote the release of other hormone or will inhibit the release of the other hormone. The pituitary gland. Pituitary gland is anatomically divided into two parts, adenohypophysis and neurohypophysis. Adenohypophysis further have two parts, pars distalis and pars intermedia. Pars distalis is also known as anterior pituitary. If you see later on, this pars intermedia is fusing with pars distalis. This anterior pituitary secretes growth hormone which is responsible for growth of our body. PRL, prolactin hormone, which is responsible for the secretion and production of milk in mammary glands. ACH, adrenocorticotropic hormones. TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone. LH, luteinizing hormone. FSH, follicle stimulating hormone. LH and FSH, as they work on gonads, are also known as gonadotropins. This pars intermedia, it releases MSH, melanocyte stimulating hormone. Now neurohypophysis or posterior pituitary. From posterior pituitary, two hormones are released which are oxytocin and vasopressin. Oxytocin is responsible for the contraction of smooth muscles at the time of childbirth, and vasopressin is also known as ADH, that is antidiuretic hormone, as it helps, it promotes reabsorption of water from the kidney. Vasopressin acts on kidney and helps in reabsorption of water from the kidney and is also known as ADH. Pineal gland. Pineal gland is present dorsal to the forebrain. It secretes melatonin. The primary and the major function of melatonin is maintaining the rhythm and the clock of the body. It helps in maintaining the sleep and wake rhythm of the body. That is, when to sleep and when to wake up. Along with this, it is also responsible for pigmentation, metabolism, defense, and it also plays an important role in regulation of menstrual cycle.